Beso. Inginigit beso. Hello friends, we're back for another Chainsaw Man reaction. So today we're checking out the season finale, episode 12. In the last episode, we got introduced to what we call the Master, which is basically the guy who's training Power and Denji. We got Aki getting the future devil as one of his allies, right? And I don't really think that does much because they mentioned that he can give you like a glimpse into the future, but a glimpse is just like, what can I do with that? You know, like, I think you'd kind of want a devil with actual firepower, right? Like similar to the ghost, similar to the snake, similar to the fox, you know, a devil that can actually do shit. Because looking into the future sounds good if you're already strong, right? If you can do the damage. But if you're just Aki, you know, ordinary human, then it doesn't sound that OP to me. But anyway, they started the invasion to the Sawatari, was it? The girl with the snake. And we got introduced to other devils, the shark, the angel, the spider, right? And you would think the spider is up there, right? It should be up there, but it doesn't look like it's up there. That being said, we did encounter Sawatari versus Aki at the end, and the snake spits out Ghost, and it looks like he has to fight Ghost now. So without further ado, let's check out the next episode. Oh.
It rots your bones and I need mine.
I have a hunch this is gonna be a long partnership, so it'd be awesome if you smoked.
Whoa. It had a cigarette? Easy revenge.
The ghost devil doesn't have eyes. It uses fear to see.
Oh wow.
Thanks for explaining that, Himeno.
Damn! So he just went fearless and the ghost can't react to him. It's like the Grim from Ruby, right? If you have no emotions, they can't sense you.
Himeno.
Wow. All right. Now you just have to deal with the snake.
Snake!
Don't.
You're already dead. Damn! This is a Kobeni, right?
Kobeni. Why stay with the force?
She is fast.
Because our bonuses are right around the corner.
Don't make any loud noises.
Yeah, right.
You stand in the presence of power! It's a battle! Denji, take heart and follow me.
Dude, the VA of Power is having so much fun doing this. I could tell. She's just having fun.
What say you now? I have not fled with power, the greatest of them all!
Damn. She is a wild one.
Been looking for your sideburns.
Whoa, hold on a sec. Let's you and I have a chat.
A chat, huh?
Based on how you decide to play it, we're willing to give up and turn ourselves in.
Whoa.
We just want a little closure to take some of the sting out of this anger.
Damn. It sounds like you're stalling.
Denji, it's no secret you killed their friends and my granddad. Alright, fine. Say that whole zombie scenario was the hard truth. They were still human at one point. And you killed them. Don't you feel the slightest shred of remorse?
Nah.
I'm good.
You know, I've been put through the ringer too.
I mean, he's a hybrid. He's part devil. He is losing part of his humanity.
But even I have trouble sleeping on nights when I've slipped up and sent zombies on another trip to the afterlife. Then that's that. I'll carve up your scrawny ass even more!
I'd
Oh!
like to see you try.
Okay!
Thought my scrawny ass was grass. What happened, huh? I'm waiting.
Dude, why did the audio cut out right there? It's so awkward seeing him with a formal attire and then rubber shoes.
Tell me, what's the reason that keeps you fighting?
I want to protect my new lifestyle.
I wanna get some boobs.
Ah, so you've been living the good life with public safety?
It ain't all good. Have to put up with a nag and a brat.
Yeah.
Hey, could be worse. So like it or not, I'm kicking your ass. Miss Makima will praise me all day for it.
Cocky for someone who has no hope of winning.
Yeah, like it seems Denji is just overpowered, right? Plus this guy's probably has more experience. Oh! He's gonna go for the blitz!
Dude.
Another blitz?
Man, starting now.
Woo! Oh my god, both arms.
You're done. Can't fight without your arms. So how about it, Denji? Why not use your last few breaths to apologize for killing Granddad?
Damn.
Chainsaw on my head is all I need to end this!
Woo! The blitz. Woo!
Didn't my granddad ever teach you to know when to quit?
Oh no.
You put the dick in predictable. And went for my head like a dipshit!
What?
Didn't that rotten old geezer ever teach ya? He should know better than to trust what a hunter says! Should've gone for the legs, sucker!
What? Should have went for the legs. Oh my god, that is insane.
Oh, look who's awake. We really are alike. Who would have thunk it, huh? When I pulled that katana out of your arm, the halves of your body stuck right back together.
You're dead. I swear I'll fucking kill you!
Boy, sore loser.
Oh, that's his trigger, the katana in the arm.
Gotta stand guard till the cops come and grab you. But that isn't the only reason why I stuck around. Now you're gonna live out your life in jail without being sorry for it? That won't leave a good taste in my mouth.
You talk like you can do something about it, but you're just public safety's mutt.
How's about a little contest?
Contest.
Hmm.
Hey, perfect timing. Family jewels would make for a nice prize.
Wait, you aren't really gonna do it, are you? Guys, come on!
I'm gonna kick him in the dick. That's like Denji's special move. The dick kick.
It's a requiem. From us. To you.
Were instigated by a former devil hunter from the private sector named Akane Sawatari.
Yeah,
She had a
okay.
contract with the gun devil and distributed firearms to the Yakuza. But the payment she demanded wasn't monetary. She apparently wanted the Chainsaw Devil's heart in exchange for the guns.
Is that
Ooh.
all? You stopped before you explained why that girl was after the Chainsaw Devil's heart.
Unfortunately, we lost our chance to ask. We recovered 1.4 kilograms of gun devil flesh from the building. After combining that with the 5 kilograms already in public safety's possession, our piece at long last gravitated toward the main body.
And it's finally
Okay,
time.
okay.
Just where is it headed, though?
Oh man, Makima knows too much. Damn, it's the dream from the first episode.
It's that same dream.
Denji.
Pochita?
Vegeta.
Come on out!
Ooh.
Why are you hiding? Can I at least bet you in a dream, buddy?
Stop. Don't open that door no matter what.
No matter what.
Tell me, Denji. If you had to choose between the country mouse and the city mouse, which would you rather be?
Ooh. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Ha! Okay. Let me just say, I feel like that's misdirection. I feel like they meant it to be significant, but I think it's not significant. That last line about the city mouse and the country mouse. I think it's just there to like stir up, you know, fan theories and whatnot. So yeah, Denji was able to outplay the Blade Devil, right? And they were able to take down Akane Sawatori. The interesting part is, I guess, yeah, she probably had something with the Snake Devil that, you know, if I get caught, terminate me, you know, something like that. So it looks like the next season we're gonna actually infiltrate the Gun Devil itself, right? Because Makima did mention that the pieces they have seems to be gravitating to like the main body. So it makes sense. Like the first season was merely what do you call this? Character development, world building, all that. And then we're gonna get to like more of the plots. Excited to see the new devils we're gonna encounter in the next one. Maybe we get more members in the team. I really need Power to do something more. Like she is so underwhelming, right? Maybe we get to see Makima in action rather than just nuking people off from a distance, right? Maybe we can get to see Makima do stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be the reaction, guys. If you guys like the content, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to support your boy even more, links to Patreon down in the description. Become a channel member and put some beso in the comments, guys, because you know your boy needs a little beso. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.